Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your workout with Nike Training Club, complete guide.
Open the Nike Training Club app on your device. Create an account or log in if you already have one.
Familiarize yourself with the home screen and its features. Explore the workout categories available, such as strength, endurance, and mobility. Select the workout type that aligns with your fitness goals. Use the filters to narrow down workouts by duration, difficulty, or trainer. Take a moment to read the workout description for details on structure and equipment needed. Choose a workout that intrigues you and click on it to see the full breakdown. Pay attention to any introductory videos that demonstrate proper form. Gather any necessary equipment as outlined in the workout instructions. Set your space for a comfortable workout environment. Follow the warm-up suggested in the app to prepare your body for exercise. Stay mindful of your energy levels and modify the workout as needed. Use the pause feature if you need a break during sets or exercises. Track your progress by noting how you feel after each session. Explore the post-workout suggestions for recovery and cooldown. Review your performance in the app and consider setting goals for your next workout. Regularly revisit the app to discover new routines and challenges. Engage with community features to share experiences or seek motivation. Stay consistent with your scheduling to build a strong routine over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.